Friends, today we discuss about fourth lesson geometry one words. First question, if in triangles ABC and EDF where the sides AB by DE equal to BC by FD, then the similar to what is the common angle B and D. Here shortly we see B is a common, so B is angle. Here you common D. So where is our answer? B equal to D. So C is the correct option. Here B common, here D common. So B and D angle, C option. We go to second question. In triangle LMN, L angle is 60 degree, M angle 50 degree and they are similar, then the value of R. So we can the sum of the three angles of triangle 180, here the sum 110, so remaining we need 70 degree. So angle R equal to 70 degree. So here you can see 60 plus 50 110, we need 70, so 70 is your correct answer. Third question, in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, AC equal to 5 centimeter. Here the triangle, so this is 90 degree, 5 centimeter, also this is 5 centimeter. Find the AB hypotenuse, we find out. So this is 45 is to 45 is to 90 degree ratio, 45 1 is to 1 is to 2 ratio. So our AB answer is 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 is the correct answer. We move to fourth question. Here is the triangle ST is parallel to QR. ST is parallel to QR. P is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Find the ratio of area of the big triangle PQR is to area of small triangle PST. So what is our property? Area equal to side squared. This is common side, we take it. PQ totally 5 unit, PS 2 unit. So that square 25 is to 4. So our answer is 2 plus 3 5, 25 is to this square 4. So fifth one we move to the perimeter of given two triangles 36 and 24 and one side is given. So this perimeter 36, this is total 24. What is this ratio? Common to 12 table, this is 3 times, this is 2 times. 3 is to 2 is our ratio. So 10 2 times how many number? 5. So 5 is the common constant. So 5 into 3 15. 15 is your answer. And in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, AB 3.6 totally and AC totally 2.4. AD answer given 2.1. You find out AE. So AD by DB, similar triangle ratio we write AD small size and big side AB equal to AE by AC. So given data we substituting AE answer equal to 2.1 by 3.6. So here 1 point, so that is cancelling 21 by 36 into 2.4. So after cancelling 3 table, so 7 times and 3 table you cancelling 0.2 times, 7 into 0.2 14, 1.4. So AE answer is 1.4. This is in the ratio. This is 3 times, this is 2 times. So this is 3 times, this is 2 times. So 1.4 is your correct answer. We move to seventh question. In triangle ABC, AD bisector. This is bisector, angle bisector theorem, ABT theorem. So AB 8 centimeter and BD DC given. You find out the AC. Angle bisector theorem BD by DC. So 6 by 3. What is the ratio? 2 times. So that also in the ratio of 2 times. So 8 is given. So what is that? 2 times lesser. So 4. 4 is your answer. So 4 is your answer. Here BD by DC in 2 times. So your answer and AB also in the 2 times. So 4 and 8 correct. One in the adjacent figure BAC 90 degree and AD perpendicular to BC. So this triangle 1B DBA and DAC are similar. So similar ratio we write. So AD squared equal to BD into CD. In shortly we can remember AD first one squared equal to BD into CD. So in shortly you will from the question. And ninth one, two poles are in the height 6 meter and 11 meter, distance between 12 meter. What is the distance between of the top? So we can form the right angle. So this is also 12 same lengthwise, this is widthwise same. So after you reducing 6 you will get 5. So 5 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, this is right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, what is the hypotenuse? This is 13 centimeter. So 13 is your correct answer. So the 11 12 you can see the same question. So after 13 in shortly you remind. In 10th question, so in given figure 26 centimeter and this is 24 centimeter here. So this is 90 degree, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Pythagoras theorem, this is 10 centimeter, 6, 8 or Pythagorean triplets. So you will find out PQ 10 centimeter. Also these 26, 24, 10 also triplets. So what is the angle of Q? The angle of Q is 90 degree. So 11th one, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. We well known the tangent always 90 degree to the radius. So at the point of contact touching 90 degree. So your answer is point of contact. How many tangents can be drawn? So how many tangent? 2 tangent we can draw at the exterior point. So 12th question, 2 tangent. 2 is your correct answer. 13th question, 2 tangent from an external point. So angle APB is given, that is 70 degree. This is angle bisector. So 35. This is 90 degree, we already known. So 90 plus 35, 125. So sum of the 3 angles 180. So 180 minus 125 remaining 55. This 55 here also 55, totally 110. So AOB is 110. This is your correct answer. We move to 14th question. In figure, this is your figure, CP and CQ tangent. So these are the same 11 and BC given 7 centimeter. You find out BR you find out. So the total of perimeter ABC equal to 2 times of tangent. This is our property. So AB plus 7 plus 7 14. So we reducing 2 times of 11 22. So 22 minus 14 totally 8. So AB totally 8. These also in the same. So BR is half of the 8, 4 centimeter is your correct answer. In figure, PR is a tangent and given angle RPQ 60 degree, you find out a POQ. Angle bisector theorem, this is the triangle, you know, this is angle bisector theorem, this 60 also, this is also 60 degree. In 9th standard, this is the center angle is 2 times in the vertex angle. So this 2 times 120. So 120 is your correct answer.